Ever wondered how crucial sustainable irrigation solutions are for your garden? Sustainable irrigation methods are essential for nurturing plant health and preserving our environment. They ensure efficient water use and promote thriving gardens. So, what are some of these solutions? We have 7 to share with you. Here we unveil the top 7 sustainable irrigation solutions for your garden. Let's start with drip irrigation. This efficient watering method delivers water directly to the root zone of the plant. It's like a personalized hydration system for each of your plants, ensuring they get just the right amount of water they need to thrive. Next, we have soaker hoses. Picture a hose that acts more like a sponge, allowing water to seep out slowly and directly to the root zone. It's a gentle way to keep your plants hydrated without any water waste. Third on our list is rainwater harvesting. This method involves the collection and storage of rainwater for irrigation purposes. It's nature's own irrigation system, and it's free. Then there are smart sprinkler systems. These clever devices use data to water plants only when they need it. It's like having a personal gardener who knows exactly when your plants are thirsty. Fifth, we have mulching. This technique helps retain moisture in the soil, reducing the need for frequent watering. Plus, it gives your garden a neat and tidy look. Our 6th solution is native planting. Native plants are adapted to local conditions and require less watering. It's all about working with nature, not against it. Finally, we have irrigation scheduling. This means watering at the right time, typically early morning or late evening, to prevent evaporation. Implementing these sustainable irrigation solutions can make a big difference in your garden and the environment. A garden is a love song to Mother Nature, and sustainable irrigation is the chorus. Embrace these practices to nurture our environment while cultivating a lush garden. Enjoyed this video? Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!